Hello everyone, have a good day. Welcome back to my live trading today. How are you? I hope all of you had a wonderful weekend. Hi Ali, hi MG, hi Niyosha, hi Amas. Okay, so now the gold market is moving in a narrow range and waiting for any news update from FOMC decision. Hi Bear, welcome back to my live trading today. Alright, so every investor is heading to this Wednesday with the FOMC statement whether they have any decision to have interest rate cut or not. Yeah, but now it's definitely to remain the current interest rate, right? Just around 4.25%. Okay, so we will keep the breath. Yeah, hold our breath and waiting till the September 17. But it's kind of late because it's kind of late for anyone living in Asia because this news released around 8 p.m. Yeah, according to France time. So anyone living in Europe or America, yeah, can trade for this news. But anyone living in Asian countries, you can wait to trade with me in the early Asian session of the day after that. Alright, so today is Monday. For the orange news, today we have Empire State Manufacturing Index. And yeah, actually it is an orange news. So the volatility of the market moving today will be kinda narrow. Yeah. And now the market officially moving sideways because it's about to the New York session after that. Yeah, and today and tomorrow, yeah, as I guess that the market will condense, moving in a narrow range and waiting for any explosion until Wednesday. Okay, so let's wait and see. Okay, so let's go back in a smaller time frame to see what is going on in today's early Asian session. Yeah, you can see here the market had a very small gap up. Yeah, just around the 10 pips. Yeah, but after that, it's under a selling pressure. And now, even though the market price recover, yeah, its previous price, but it's moving sideways once again. Yeah, like I just said, this is time the market gold is resting. Okay, sharks or whales, big players are resting at the moment and wait for the explosion. Yeah, in the upcoming Wednesday. Okay, so let me change the colors to help you see. Yeah, see everything easier. Hi Mike, hi Confine. Okay, so now the market is moving sideways, and yeah, unfortunately that I do not have any real-time scalping signal for all of you at the moment. Okay, so yeah, today we will take a look for gold analysis. Yeah, based on the fundamental news and technical analysis. Okay, so on your chart, on the left side of the chart, you can see my pending order regarding to my gold trading plan. Okay. And obviously that we can see now 3 EMA's ribbons that is kind of near Yeah, the distance between three EMA ribbons is very near, and this is indicate for the market is moving sideways now. And gold is like the standing in the intersection. Yeah, so we don't know which way it's gonna be. So according to my purpose, trading purpose and intention, we will wait for any confirmation candle from the market to to decide any setup for today's live stream. Yeah, I know that you are very hurry, yeah, for any scalping signal, because it's just a few times of a week we can meet each other in my channel, on YouTube. Okay, but yeah, okay, so let's take a look in a bigger time frame, like daily. Wow. So you can see now gold is accumulating, yeah, at the peak area, right? And the body of the candle is getting more and more narrow recently. So everything is waiting for the upcoming FOMC decision from Fed. You can see here, very small candle here. And we usually call them like a bean bar. And this is another inverted hammer, but it's located at the resistance level, so it's not reliable for us to set up any swing trading anymore. Yeah, not like this time. You can see now previous time, like at the end, the last week of August, that is the bullish wave, right? The bullish, very strong bullish wave from gold price. Even though now world is facing with geopolitical tensions and soldier war between the countries like Russia, Ukraine, or France. Okay, France has some the political events is not good there, is not stable in France. And other countries, like you can hear the news relating to Nepal, right? And other Middle East countries, yeah, Palestine, Israel. Those are news are good for USD. Good for gold. But you can see that the market is holding its breath, yeah, and moving in a narrow sideways. And as usual, we can compare it with a spring, okay, and it's getting more and more condensed at the moment and waiting for the upcoming explosion. Yeah, and I just share with you that this Wednesday is very important day, because not only FOMC fund rate, but also we will face with the statement. Yeah, and after that, Thursday we'll have unemployment claims, and Tuesday we have retail sales. But those news is just a short-term adjustment of gold. Yeah, and this week the market will face with high volatility on Wednesday. Okay, and I believe that today and tomorrow it's just moving in a specific range, yeah, near the peak area. And this is the daily time frame. Okay, so if you want to getting a broader view of the gold market, you can switch to a bigger time frame, like daily. Yeah, so weekly time frame is just for any swing traders, right? Anyone want to hold very far position, yeah, one position only. But you have to make sure that your capital is suitable for your swing trading. Okay, because the stop loss level will be very far, and yeah, sometimes it up to $10. Yeah, 10 unit price, which is 100 pips for any swing trading setup. Yeah, entry zone. But it will bring a lot of profit if you choose the correct direction to trade. Yeah, obviously everything have its risk rate, right? And if we want to get more, we need to pay more. Yeah, you can see that in the big time frame, the body of the candle is getting narrowed, and in the 4-hour time frame is forming a continued candles with very long lower shadows here. Yeah, lower shadows. And this is indicate for the current uptrend that the market still supported for the current uptrend. Because on the candle is lying above the 3 EMA ribbon, and in the 4-hour time frame, yeah, these ribbons is kind of separate. Yeah, you can see that the distance between the EMA ribbons very far. Okay, but in a smaller time frame, it's just a short-term adjustment for the bearish momentum. So if anyone still hold any buy scalping signal, buy entry zone around 3500 down below here, yeah, I would like to send a congratulations to all of you, because you choose the correct direction. Yeah, the correct holy grails. Yeah, you can see that this trend line, the market's breakout and then retesting, but now the candle is just lying above the trend line. So this anyway, recently, yeah, from last Friday up to now, the market is still accumulating at the peak area. Okay, so the stories is getting more attractive and waiting for any explosion from all gold investor like us. And as usual, if you want to trade news with Golden Girl, welcome to my VIP signal group. I can make sure that you can increase your winning rate, yeah, if you be disciplined and follow enough my signal in my VIP signal group. Alright, in the smaller time frame, the market is moving sideways, and in 5 minutes, 1 hour time frame is kind of breakout from above border. Okay, let me change into the red color to help you see it more clearly. Why is this so faded? Okay, so it's heading up to the higher levels. So let's wait for now. It's gonna be breakouts from the above level. And we will consider to set up this scalping entry zone from the level 49 to 50. Yeah, this is where starting for the previous bearish momentum. Let me check the candle. Okay, so last Friday in the New York session. Yeah, the bright zone 36.49 to 36.50 is where the market starting dropping. Was started dropping last New York session. Yeah, on the New York session last Friday. But anyway, we still observe the market moving, and yeah, because recently it's easily to get trapped, to be trapped by by gold market. Yeah, it just continues forming and falls breakout, breakdown. Yeah, it's really challenging even though the market is moving sideways. Actually, that I prefer trading in the market have a clear trend. Like I still remember, yeah, because last week of August is very impressive for gold. Clear, yeah, the bullish momentum was very clearly, right? And everyone get a very good profit. From 35.00, yeah, gold increased steadily up to nearly to $150 for just a few days, nearly 10 days. So that is impressive. At that time, that period, if you are my VIP members, at all of my scalping signal, yeah, most of my scalping signal, we follow buy trend, right? Buy signal. So that is when the markets have very strong uptrend, and it's more difficult for us, yeah, when we do analysis when the market moving sideways. Hi, oh, today I received a lot of greeting from new names. Yeah, very new, a lot of new friends joined my stream today. Thank you so much. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to receive the schedule whenever I have my live stream. Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah, your like and subscribe is my positive energy. Help me developing my channel and providing for you very useful information and knowledge for your trading journey. Okay. Thank you so much. Hi, fashion show. Are you new to me? Are you new to my live stream today? Yeah, because this is my first time I saw your name. Okay, so you can see let's go to touch to near to 46 zone. That is start preventing from the current bullish momentum. Yeah, it's heading back, and let's see this 15 minutes candle close and how is it? How is this candle form? Yeah, it's continue a bearish candle. Yeah, you know that the market is keep up moving sideways, and we have more times to talk with each other, right? To share about the knowledge, yeah, trading knowledge or technical analysis that I want to answer to all of your questions. And if the candle, yeah, officially forming a powerful engulfing bullish engulfing candle, okay, so we're heading to near to our specific level that we are observing and take note at the moment. But the market's likely more chance, yeah, to break out from the current right zone. Yeah, 46 to 47 right zone. Okay. So anyone have any question that you want me to answer? Yeah, feel free to interact with me today because now the market is resting and yeah, we just have some specific levels that we need to observe in today's London session. Oh, I thought that it was a bullish engulfing candle. Yeah, but not. Alright. Now we need it to break out from this border. If we want to set up any scalping signal in today's New York session. So if you open your trading account on your mobile phone or laptop, yeah, don't do any random trade. Okay, don't do any random trade. If you observe that the current candle is a very strong bullish engulfing or bearish engulfing candle, don't FOMO. We need to do analysis and have the broader view based on observing the bigger time frame. Okay, trading is not easy. You need to prepare for knowledge and your skill. Yeah, risk management skill and other skill you need to follow strictly. It's not easy to earn money in this market anyway. So stop dreaming about change your life. Yeah, after one trade, it's never gonna be happened. Hi, Game Zone. Hello. Okay, so I change into the smaller time frame, like 5 minutes, to observe the chart together, and we'll see how is it gonna be. Okay, meanwhile waiting, so let's wait. Let's change into BTC. Okay, change into BTC to have the take a look at this BTC. Oh, okay, so now it's just a short term. Okay, in the small time frame, BTC is under all EMAs. So this is a short term bullish short term downtrend of BTC. Oh, and you can see that the previous one was bullish candle, but now the current candle is forming with a bearish candle. And you please take note for this. This is where a very big engulfing, bearish engulfing candle, and the body closed below EMA 89. Even though that the bullish coming back to fighting with the buyers, but now it's losing its momentum, right? And I believe that BTC now is under a short-term downtrend at the moment, and anyone trade BTC at the moment, you can choose sell signal. Okay, follow the sell signal, and it's heading to below level that's matching with EMA 200 around 1k 1.14k 114k. Okay, down below here. Now because the previous candle closed and the body lying below two EMA ribbons 34 and 89 already. Yeah, so it's continue heading down to a lower level. And like gold, you can say that's the market just moving in a narrow range. And every asset, yeah, will have the same impact, yeah, if any important news release. And this week, FOMC decision for the current interest rate. Even though the BTC gain the recovery of the bullish momentum, but with this candle, it's kind of consideration. Yeah, it's a consideration for the upcoming bearish momentum coming back to dominate the market. Okay, so below level 114k 050. Now will be our remark specific level to observe it. If another candle break down from this level, it's heading back to below support 113k 400. Okay, and now the candle of BTC is stuck in the box like gold. Yeah, stuck in a triangle, but it's kind of near to below border. Yeah, to the lower border here. Hello my new friends. So you can say that in big or small time frame. Yeah, let me check 4 hour. Oh, 4 hour is touching to below EMA 34 and gaining the bullish momentum. Alright, so we will better to wait for this candle close and how is it gonna be formed. Yeah, this is under a short-term downtrend at the moment. This time all asset is resting, right? Accumulating at the border zone. Oh, 15 candles. This one cannot be formed with a powerful bullish candle. Okay, so 45 to 46 level is kind of strong resistance zone, right? Strong resistance zone of gold. That price cannot have any specific a clearer direction. Moving average you use. This is called EMA. Okay, it's not a simple moving average. Multiple EMA. You can choose this script name. Yeah, on indicators part, you click to here and change into this value. Click to this setting point, setting button, and change 8 to 34 to 89, 200. Last one will be 200. And for the style, I keep remain. Okay, and the boldest blue line will be EMA 200. Okay, the purple line is EMA 89, and the green one is EMA 34. And for the free trading view version, you can only open 2 indicators at the same time. Yeah, but for me it's better, because if you use too much indicators or using tools, it's very complicated for you to identify a correct trend, correct entry zone. So for me, yeah, I do not prefer to not to open too much any indicators. Sometimes we need to check the trading volume. You can use the volume profile. Okay, click to projection and choose the fixed range volume profile, and you will stretch out from the point. This is the starting point. Whenever price you want to check the trading volume, you click to the starting point and then stretch out to the level you want, like previous peak. Yeah, for example, like this previous peak 56. Okay, and it will measure, because now gold is just moving in this level 45, so it will summarize and show you the trading volume at the specific price. And the current price zone is having low trading volume here. Yeah, because the market is moving sideways and all big players are resting at the moment. So you can see that in the range that's matching with where's EMA locating, yeah, the trading volume is kind of significant, so that you can identify which is the price zone having the biggest trading volume. And down below here is lacking liquidity. Yeah, you can see that the horizontal bar is very short. Yeah, not long like this. So it's lacking of volatility, liquidity. So if the gold collapse, it's easily to fill the below gap. Okay, so after you identify the price zone that having the most trading volume, you can delete it. Okay, and the blue one indicates for buyers, and the pink one indicates for the sellers quantity. Okay, so if you want to delete it, just click to the chart and then you delete. Yeah, click the delete button on your keyboard. Okay, so gold is heading down and cannot break out from 46 level. So that is the reason why I told you that we shouldn't set up any random trade at the moment, because gold is just standing in an intersection. Okay, do not have any idea of their direction. So it's better for us to wait and do analysis for the limit area, limit order. Where should we make the stop loss and entry point according to chart to be safe? Okay, so I will try to explain for you as the scalpers. Okay, so on the scalping signal I set up, normally I identify your entry zone first and follow the stop loss and take profit risk reward ratio 1/1, and normally all my stop loss order will be 50 pips from the lowest entry zone, from the highest entry. Okay, so to make sure that your scalping signal will remain the risk-reward ratio balance. So I just explained for you, based on the scalping trading. For others, like swing trading, you need to do analysis based on the where this shadows, like upper wicks or lower wicks, where is it located, and set the stop loss level a bit far away from it, to avoid liquidity sweep. And you can refer many VIP signal groups, and normally they will set the stop loss level around 50 pips or $5 price moving. Because that's the rate that remain the best, the effective trading percent, winning percent for all of the scalpers. Because our entries is not a specific level, it's just a zone, okay, a zone, and we need to be disciplined to follow risk management, 1 to 2% rule for each trade or each layer you want to trade. And if you want to enter a lot of trading layers, you need to lower your trading volume and separate it with the suitable percent compared to your capital, okay, your equity. And my dear friend, I would like to explain for you a bit for my gold trading plan valid time. Okay, it's only valid until 9 p.m. according to France time. After this time, please remove all the limit order if this entry zone haven't been active. Okay, only valid until 9 p.m. according to France time. Now it's UTC +2. So after this time, please remove all the limit order to avoid any misunderstanding, because that is just gold trading plan, daily plan. And after that, for the next day, I will continue to check the gold price and have the new update for all of you. And regarding to my weekly trading plan, I will mark for you the specific support and level, support and resistance level. What time is it right now? It's nearly 1 p.m. It's just noon. It's just at noon. And after my stream today, I will have lunch. So it seems like a 5 hour later than your country, Bear. 5 hours later. Alright, 46 is very strong resistance. That make gold dropping 30 pips. If anyone believe from this candle, this is another bullish candle in a 50-minute time frame, and enter any buy signal at level 46, congratulations, you get the trap by the market. That's why we need a confirmation before set up any entry zone. Alright. So now I will set up another scalping signal for you, because now we can see that the bearish momentum is kind of strong at the moment. So now we should FOMO to the current momentum. Okay, so we're about to have scalping signal at the level 43 to 44. And let me zoom it up for you to observe it easily. Okay, everyone. Signal is set up at the moment. Yeah, after a long time waiting. Okay. Now going as our entry zone. So be active. Is there anyone in? Let me know. Let me know if you're already in for this scalping signal already. Oh, you seem quiet. Yeah, I guess that now you are having any action, yeah, on your trading platform. It's dropping down right now. Hi GW. Okay, that's very quick. Yeah, because we're Scalper, right? Quick in, quick out. Hi MD. It's dropping to 42. Okay, so let me check in a smaller time frame to see the detailed movement. Now it's having some internet connection problem that is losing my EMA. Okay, there it is. Okay. It's heading down. Okay, let me check. 15. Yeah, 15 pips is running. Okay. Come on. Nearly 20 pips. Hi Saraya. Oh, very long time no see you. I'm good. Where have you been? Okay, do you in for the current scalping signal for the sell entry on time? Do you? Okay, near 20 pips for all of us. Congratulations, everyone. $20 pips. Yeah, actually this is the signal for the continuous bearish candle. Yeah. And I will share with you the meaning, yeah, of these 3 continuous candles. Okay, yeah, congratulations all of you. Right? We're TP. Yeah, you can see here our first taking profit is around 30 pips, which is 40, 36, 36, 40. And this signal we active for the highest level is 36, 43.5. Okay. Yeah, set the tie stop loss and just let the market run, because now, yeah, we're having the approval for the current bearish momentum. Yeah, it's not like previous time that we just have continuous buy scalping signal. Yeah, now the market is changed. Okay, this is when the market's moving sideways, and we need to be adapt. We need to adapt with the current situation of the market, and don't be so stubborn for any analysis or opinion about the market. Okay, that will destroy your trading account. So now it's heading down. Okay, as I draw for you the volume profile. Yeah, previously that we can easily know that below here is lack of trading volume. Yeah, and easily to feel below gap. Yeah, because it's lacking liquidity. Okay, so is this heading to 30 pips already? 30 pips. Congratulations. Yeah, close the part of a trade and hold the rest for the further taking profit, everyone. There will be two decisions you can consider, Meras. First, you can remain your stop loss level at 36.48. Or you can set the break even, move stop loss to your entry zone. Okay? But any decision will have its relative result, your consequence. Or another advice for you is just move the stop loss to minus 30 pips. Yeah, move your stop loss to 36.45 level. Yeah, I don't like to talking too much. Yeah, just follow if you follow me for years or just a few months later on YouTube, you can understand how I do analysis. And yeah, sometimes the market trapped me, but that's very normal, because I already in this trading journey for nearly 8 years. And yeah, stop loss is a part of the game, and whenever the market beats us, we do not set up the revenge emotion, revenge think. Yeah, it will easily to destroy your capital, and we need to relax and calm to set up another opportunity to gain what we lost. And this time you can see that it's heading downward strongly, and now 40 pips is running for your trading account. Okay, congratulations. And now the previous candle has the body closed below the crossover of 3 EMA ribbons, and this is more conditions for us to support for the current bearish momentum. Yeah, and my expectations is it will reach to below level 36.33. down here at the below border. Okay, thank you very much. And if you want to increase your winning rate, yeah, every day, welcome to my VIP signal group. Yeah, anytime. And do you still remember my affiliate marketing program? Yeah, it's still running, and I receive a lot of friends that interesting for this program and help them to develop their income, yeah, despite of trading every day. Okay, so I very warmly welcome all of you to join my channel on Telegram, on YouTube, and my VIP signal group. And if you want to be my partner, yeah, we can collaborate, and together we developed our community, because I believe that I confidently to say that my community is super clean and heading to a one purpose, that to help every trader find the correct way to maximize your profit and acknowledge for anything is wrong. Okay. Okay, continue dropping down, and below here is having liquidity gap. Yeah, fair value gap below here, and this is where, but we need to observe for below level like 36. Okay, so if you feel enough confident, enough satisfied with your trading profit, yeah, you can close the part. Continue to close the part of your trade. Okay. It's gaining a bullish momentum, but wait for until. Okay, so I will share with you a tip to hold any take profit position. Okay, if you observe the chart and there are continuous bearish candle, but one candle have the opposite color appears. Yeah, after that, after a continuous bearish candle, yeah, we should close that trade. Okay, because that is a signal that the opposite momentum, the opposite sign is come to fight our current signal. Okay, but we need to wait for this candle close to identify the color. Okay, identify the correct color. Like this one, it just have the bullish candle, right? But it's not finished. Yeah, it's not finished yet. We need to wait. It's closed. Yeah, to observe the forming of the current candle. Alright, so another warm up our beginning of the week, right? Warm up our beginning of the week. So that is kind of touch wood signal, right? Yeah, and I hope that all of us will have good trading results. Yeah. And this week, yeah, before FOMC news release, I will have the another time to live stream with you to share the analysis about the gold market before news. Okay, to help you have the broader view about the gold movement. Okay, so nearly 2 minutes. That is coming back. And luckily that today we'll have profitable scalping signal to trade together. And yeah, it's about time for me that I would like to end the stream at the moment. So thank you so much for joining my stream today, and I will continue to update the current signal on my VFE and on my channel on Telegram. You can click to the bio link that I put in the bio, copy it and paste it to your saved message on Telegram, and then you click to that link and it will direct you to my channel, okay, on Telegram. Alright, Golden Girl is waiting for you, and if you want to receive more and more scalping signal, I'm here to help you to do that. Okay, thank you. Have a lovely day. See you later.